this video we're going to be taking this great big fat thing and putting it up against 3 real cars in a drag race. And those 3 cars are our classic Mini, Porsche Boxster and electric Toyota. Is it a Toyota or is it a Nissan? Van type thing. So powering this is a Spectrum Therma something KV, 8S capable, brushless motor and ESC. And then the Mini, which is what we're going to be racing first, has some sort of petrol engine, God knows what. So without further ado, let's head down there. 3, 2, 1, go! I win! Yes! So we're going to do another race with the Mini because we had someone in the road. So this time the Mini can go at full chat, the Outcast can go at full chat, and it should be slightly more interesting. And then we'll move on to another car. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Outcast is off again! Oh, not crashed! You say you won on that one then? Yeah. So I won on the first one. Best of 3? Best of 3, alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the Outcast is winning. Come on. Yes, I think I've got it. I think I won that one. I won again. So guys, the Outcast won, so now we're going to head home, get the Porsche and do another race. So we've come back down to the road, guys. We've got the Porsche here now. So yeah, let's go for a little race. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the Outcast's off. Oh, crashed again. Right, I'll do it again, but I'll try not to crash this time. 3, 2, 1, go! Outcast has got the acceleration. And I've crashed again. Damn it. I think I won that one. That was a close one though. But I think I won. Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, I think we're going to get caught up. Oh no! No! Oh, I didn't win that one, guys. That was just a bit too quick for me. So we're going to do the race against the van in a minute, but I just firstly wanted to say how impressed I am that this thing has won 5 out of the 6 races we've done so far. So now we're going to do the race up against the van, and we're actually going to go to a different location for that because the road that we were at before, a little bit narrow, and I was just a little bit nervous going really fast, so close to the real cars. But now we've got a slightly wider road. And also, one interesting thing about the van, it's got 2 modes. It's got eco mode and not eco mode. So in eco mode, it's a slow, normal AA battery van, and out of eco mode it's actually fairly quick. So we're going to do 1 race in eco mode and the 2 other races out of eco mode, and we're going to see what difference that makes. So without further ado, let's head down there. 3, 2, 1, go! I win! 2, 1, go! Guys, just about got it. Guys, that Outcast, even on 6S, is quick. I was not expecting that. 3, 2, 1, go! Outcast is away. Yes! I cannot believe how fast this thing is, guys. I know it's not particularly fast when I take it down to Arrma Raceway and stuff, but in a drag race compared to 3 real cars, this thing has done really well. So guys, we've just found an electric scooter. Now, for those of you that don't live around here and stuff, these are they're for public use, and you just scan your phone on them, pay for about an hour, and then you can use them. And I want to put this up against the Outcast. No idea which one will win, but we wanted to give it a try anyway. Go! How'd you stop it? Oh my god! please make sure to give it a like, and I'll see you for another video very, very soon.